Today I'll show you how you can bake 2 different pizzas from your own pizza dough. 60 milliliter of lukewarm water about 33 degrees Celsius or 90 degrees Fahrenheit in a glass. 17 g fresh yeast. All of the lumps must have dissolved. 3 grams of sugar. Cover for 15 minutes. Type 0 wheat flour is ideal for your pizza. Alternatively, you can use all-purpose flour. After 15 minutes, bubbles have formed. Yeast and 350 grams of wheat flour, 8 grams of virgin olive oil, 5 grams salt, and 150 milliliter of lukewarm water. Now you have to mix everything up exactly. When all the ingredients have mixed well, you can now knead your dough. Try to stretch and fold the dough. Elastic and flexible. Dough will be ready in 10 to 15 minutes. Place in a bowl for 1 hour. After 1 hour should be twice as big. Divide the dough into 4 equal pieces. For the thick crust pizza, divide the dough into 2 pieces. Form 4 balls for pizza with thin crust or 2 larger balls for pizza with thick crust. Try to pull the dough and then push it down. Cover and let it rise for 15 minutes. Now let's shape a thin crust pizza. Use your fingertips to press the dough inside out. This gives your pizza a perfect shape. Stretch the dough until it is slightly transparent. Don't stretch too much or it may crack. Put durum wheat semolina on the pizza peel to prevent the pizza from sticking. Place the pizza on the pizza peel. Now let's shape a thick crust pizza. Press the ball of dough with your whole palm. Use a rolling pin to smooth out the dough. Shape the pizza edge. One pizza dough recipe. 2 pizza styles. Put some passata with basil on both pizzas. Finally, mozzarella cheese. We bake the thin crust pizza in a pizza oven. At around 400 degrees Celsius or 752 degrees Fahrenheit, your pizza will be really crispy in 5 minutes. We bake thick crust pizza in an oven on a pizza stone. Pizza will be ready in about 10 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius or 482 degrees Fahrenheit. The pizza takes a little longer because the dough is thicker. Now put basil on the pizza. Which pizza do you like better? Enjoy your meal.